Listnr complete tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll take a look at this platform which provides us the opportunity to create AI voiceovers. Basically they have a lot of features, a lot of actors we can use, and they support a lot of different languages. Like as you can see, more than 100 languages and more than 1000 of different voices we can use. Of course they have a free version and they have a paid version, so we can try to use it for free. We can try to find the necessary actor we'd like to use, and after that we'll be able to basically upgrade it if it's necessary as for us. So here in the top of the screen we can find the awards, and also we can click on a sign up free to be able to find all the features to come to our workspace. So they have products like text-to-speech, voice cloning, text-to-speech AI API, and text-to-video coming soon. So in the future they'll be able to create videos from our text inside. So let's try to use this text in the future, and we'll open our personal cabinet. So you can create an account with your Gmail or with a separate email account. So here we are on our workspace. Our current plan is a trial, so we can upgrade up to 50 gigabytes, manage like 100 awards right now, and basically I think it's enough to try this feature. So we have the options to go to our home to see all the files right up here. Manage voiceovers, we can create a new one. Manage podcasts, voice cloning, so we can clone our voice in just 5 minutes just to record the high quality audio, doesn't matter. And also they have videos from AI, as you can see. So let's click on new TTS voiceover in the left top corner right up here to start creating. So we can create a new voiceover with Listnr. We can create using editor, create with PDFs, and create using URL. So let's click on create using editor, and we'll come to this page where we just simply need to add our text. Let it be like this. And what do we have here? So in the top of the screen we have a couple of options. We can manage our voice, we can manage style, speed, we can save and export our project. So let's firstly add the name. I'm going to click on it, let it be like project 1. Then let's see all the voices. Let's click, we can
Hello, I'm Alice from England.
We can preview all the voices we have.
Yesterday's home runs don't win today's.
The best thing about the future.
So
welcome to this special.
They are different. So let's see that I want to use this one here. So I can select it, but as you can see, it's available only on premium. So we have a couple of languages we can use without paying, basically. Also, we have
there are a lot of things I could
premium things. So let's use this one here. The next thing we can manage is that we can manage our style. So there are a lot of options, but as for this feature is only available for premium voices. So we can try to use premium, and after that we can change the style. So the next thing we can change the speed, also only available for premium voicers. So as you can see, in order to use all the features by Listnr, we simply need to basically buy the premium version. We can manage pauses here. We can manage comma pauses, dash, questions, colon, and different sites. Pronunciation here. And basically let's see how will it look like right up now. Let's click on play, and it may take a little time until it will be transferred to the audio. Let's click on save. Firstly, save the project, and now we can try to listen for it. So let it be. As you can see, we can also change the parameters here inside of the how will it order now. So until everything is preset, we can now click on export to export our project, and we'll be able to export it. So if we'll click on our profile in the left top, we'll come to this page where we have all the projects here. So how can we interact? We have a couple of options: delete, edit. So let's say they want to delete this one. I'm going to delete it, and it will be automatically deleted, as you can see. And the same thing with our voiceovers, podcasts and voice cloning. So if you click on new voice, we can then add our voice, add the audio file. So we can choose at least like up to 30 seconds. So it will be easier for the AI to clone your voice. The next thing is dubbing. So create a voice clone in just under 5 minutes here. Video. So let's click on new video. Let it be like vid1. And the language here should be English. Submit. So we'll come to the next page where we have this option to interact with. So use AI to generate video, script, and media. Enter prompt here. Use ++ to autocomplete so we can manage all the prompts. Then we can choose media source like stock video or AI art. Video format: shorts, reels, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, subtitles. Choose from the most popular voices, and then we can generate it. So now let's take a look at their prices. If we are going to click on upgrade, we'll come to the page with all the plans. And what can we see here? They have like 3 plans: individual, solo, and agency. If you're going to pay monthly, we'll receive these prices like $10, $39, and $99. And if you want to pay annually, we'll have to pay like $180, $390, and $990. Basically nothing hard. And the biggest difference is in the number of words per month we can change to voiceover, number of characters per month, different number of podcast shows, voice clones, unlimited conversions, free podcast hosting. So basically all the features are really good if we are going to talk about the paid plan. And I definitely recommend you to start with individual, so you'll get like 20,000 words per month, 100,000 captures. And if you want to upgrade it, you'll be able to buy the solo plan. And if you want to use it for a long time, definitely early subscription could be a little bit cheaper as for you. So that's all for this video. Hope guys this video helped you out. So if it is, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day and goodbye guys.